Hi traders, Adam Ryan here with Optic Trading, and welcome back to another market recap video covering crude oil. All trends remain up on our monthly, our weekly, and our daily. Our daily has moved into balance now, and we've been talking about this balance area all last week and this week. For anybody who's new, a balance area is just a consolidated range on the chart. So I have it marked here in blue at the low and up here at the high. And the expectation when we are in balance areas is that we see a lot of rotation. So we'll rotate from the high to the low to the high to the low until we eventually break at a balance. And when we get these breaks, this is what can cause trends. So we definitely want to be aware when we're in balance, because they're going to add a lot of opportunity when we eventually break. Now, when you're in balance, you're going to do three things. You're going to remain in balance. You're going to look above and below the balance area and fail, or above and below the balance area and accelerate, and that's when trends start. Now, either way, if you fail or accelerate, there's still going to be a lot of opportunity, because if you know you're in a balance area, you know that we're going to rotate from high to low, high to low. So when you get near that low area, you can expect rotation if you see a failure, and that's what we had yesterday. So let's pick up where we left off from yesterday. We had a balance area failure into the close. Buyer stepped in, absorbed price, pushed us back into range. So going into today's session, we were expecting that we were likely to see some rotation back to the balance area high. Today's Wednesday, so for all you crude oil traders out there, you know it's the EIA crude inventory number. Best day of the week to trade, in my opinion. The added volatility always brings increased opportunity. Now, when we have EIA being released, or any large news item being released, we typically don't see the markets get directional before the item's released. That's because a lot of hedge funds, institutions, large traders, they're waiting for these numbers before they start transacting their trade. And today I released a trading tips video in the morning, and it's very timely with what we've seen today. So if you haven't watched that video, I'm going to leave a link in the description, and you should go ahead and check that out. It's called Why News Does Not Matter When Day Trading. And today it was just a textbook example of why you don't look at the number. So I'm going to go over that, what exactly happened. Where my mouse is right here, this high volume area, this is the EIA report. So this is the crude inventory number that came out. And last inventory number, we had 2.2 million build in inventory. Today we had 6.6 million build in inventory, and we should be going down. That's a bearish number. We should be going down. Initially, we did spike down, but large buyers stepped in and just absorbed price. We tried to retest where they absorbed. They came in again and pushed price higher, and we closed near the high. So a lot of traders are in shock who are looking at the number thinking, now why did that happen? Why are we closing higher when we have a bearish number? And that's because news does not matter. News cannot trade. News can't place trades. News can't move the market. Traders move the market. Buying and selling moves the market. So I advise you guys to just ignore news, understand when it's coming out because of the added volatility, but you got to look at the price action and the market structure, and that's going to help you place the best trades. So if you haven't already done so, if you haven't watched the video that I released earlier today, I advise you go over there and watch it, and I'll give a little bit more in depth of what happens around these news items, and that's going to help a lot of you traders out. So going forward, we still remain in balance. The objective is still that we're going to see rotation back to the balance area high. So that's what we have for the next session. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. That lets me know you enjoy these videos and you want more of them. Let me know how these market recaps are doing for you guys. Are you finding that it's helping your trading? How are you trading the markets? Did you do well today? Were you watching the number? Were you not? Leave the comments down below. So I'd love to hear how you guys are making out with the markets. Best of luck with your trading, and I'll see you in the next video.